Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PS5 account back after deleting it. First, confirm if your account was truly deleted or simply deactivated. A deletion usually means all associated data and purchases are removed after a certain period, but there's a window for recovery. It is important to know that recovering a PlayStation account requires immediate action and the correct procedure. Let's start by identifying the necessary steps. Your next crucial step is contacting PlayStation support directly. They have specialized teams dedicated to account recovery for just these types of situations. You can find their contact information on the official PlayStation website. Typically, phone support is the most effective method. When you connect with them, explain your situation clearly and calmly, providing all necessary details about your account. To help PlayStation support locate and restore your account, you will need to provide specific information. Have your online ID, date of birth, and email address used for the account readily available. Additionally, any transaction ID from recent purchases or the serial number of your primary PS5 console will significantly assist their verification process. The more information you can provide, the smoother the recovery process will be. After you provide the necessary information, PlayStation support will begin a thorough verification process. This step is critical to ensure the account is returned to its rightful owner. They will confirm your identity using the details you provided. While the exact timeline can vary, you should generally expect the recovery to take between 3 and 5 business days. Patience is key during this period, and they will contact you with updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.